To enable and use S Pen to text feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management and then tap Samsung keyboard setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap S Pen to text. If this menu is still off, turn it on by tapping the on off switch until the switch turns blue. If needed, you can set your phone to show writing toolbar while you are using S Pen to text feature. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to show writing toolbar to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. To use the S Pen to text feature, open an app with a text area, such as when you use Google Search. Now pull out your S Pen. Draw the text with your S Pen. You can see that your handwriting will be converted to text. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.